Now that you have a beautifully installed new wood floor, it's important to keep it clean and well-maintained. Vacuum and sweep regularly, especially in high-traffic areas. Use a vacuum with soft bristle brushes, not a beater brush, and avoid dragging debris across the finish coating. For sweeping, we recommend using a microfiber dusting pad or a soft bristle broom. Clean all spills immediately to avoid damaging the finish. During times of the year that you are using your heating system, using a humidifier will help reduce wood flooring shrinkage. Confirm with your product guide if your wood flooring can be wet mopped, and avoid cleansers that are acidic with high pH levels. Typically, non-abrasive chemicals that have no ammonia content work best. With the proper care, your new wood flooring will look great and last for many years to come. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor & Decor and at flooranddecor.com.